Kalispera kiriskikiri. We have a delicious and easy to make salad, which I'm sure you're going to love and enjoy. You're going to need a baking pan, and I have here around 330 grams of frozen pork gyro, which we're going to bake for around 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. While the gyro is baking in the oven, it's going to give us enough time to chop up the salad. I have around 6 to 7 green romaine leaves, which we're going to chop up into slices and toss it into the mixing bowl. We're going to take the iceberg lettuce now, and we're only going to use a quarter of it. We're going to chop it up into slices. And as soon as you're done, we're going to toss it into the mixing bowl as well. I have a piece of cabbage, which we're going to use the slicer side of the grater so I could shred it really fine. But if you want larger pieces, you could just use your knife to cut into thicker slices instead. One carrot, and use the side of the large grater. Keep the carrot on a slight angle, and you'll get nice long shreds. Let's toss the cabbage and the carrots into the mixing bowl. Make sure your hands are clean, and let's toss everything together until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Now that the salad is mixed, let's set it aside. We're going to grate the cheese using the slicer side of the grater to get nice, thin, even slices. I'm using a Rigato cheese. It's one of my favorites for the salad. You could use Parmesan as well. But if you don't like really a salty cheese, you could use Gouda, which is a nice sweet cheese, or cheddar cheese, which is not bad either. Let's toss our cheese into a small mixing bowl, and let's take a look at our gyro. It should be ready. It's been 8 minutes baking in the oven, and it really looks nice and juicy and really crispy. Now, let's put this whole thing together, and we begin with the salad first. This is a perfect salad for the weekends. It's both delicious and easy to make. Let's put on top of the salad the Rigato cheese. And now, on top of the cheese, we're going to add the pork gyro, which is nice and warm from the oven. And it heats the cheese just enough to stay nice and warm and maybe just melt a bit. Now at the end, I'm going to drizzle on some Caesar's salad dressing. And just add as much as you like. And now we're done. Ready to serve. And like always, que calizas orexi.